everyone, my name is Pratishtha Sarkar. Today I am going to tell about Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was an Indian revolutionary who organized and led a band of militant heroes during the independence movement. He famously employed his experiment plot to the British Raj, such as Kakari conspiration and association of John Solomon. Thank you.
Today I'm going to tell about Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose, a young Indian revolutionary remembered for his courage against British. He was born on 3rd December 1889 in Bengal. Khudiram Bose was the first Bengal martyr. When he was 15, he joined Anushilan Samiti on August 11, 1908. He died due to the conflict of bombing. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Khushbu Gupta. I am going to tell about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter of India. He was popularly known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha. His father's name was Janaki Nath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhati Devi. He gave a very famous slogan, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pallavi Roy and I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian leader. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Pune. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi is known as the father of nation. He believed in truth and non-violence. He died on January 13, 1948. Thank you.
My name is Shubhav Shah. Today I am going to tell freedom fighter about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is a freedom fighter of our India. We feel proud that God has given us this kind of freedom fighter which is born to our India. Bhagat Singh was born in 1907 in Lahore, which is situated in Pakistan nowadays. He also created with his team and Chandrasekhar Azad the bomb and thrown in National Congress, British Assembly. He also shoot out the National Governor's Court. At last, he gave all the blood and freedom to our India, and we love Bhagat Singh very much. This kind of person is a very peaceful and helpful person of our India. At last, in 1931, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were hanging to the British National Jail. Thank you.
Good morning ma'am. My name is Shaindhar. I am from class 6 and today I want to tell some lines about our India. India is a large and diverse country with many people. It is located in South Asia. It shares its boundaries with Nepal, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Myanmar. India has two major islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which are located in the Arabian Sea, and the Lakshadweep Islands, which are located in the Bay of Bengal. The Indian Constitution recognizes 22 principal languages, from which Hindi is our national language. India also has diverse food culture and also celebrates various festivals, which some are related to crops, some are related to seasons, and some are religious. India is the birthplace of many religions like Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism and Hinduism. So we called India a diverse country, and I love my country India. Thank you.
Good morning ma'am, my name is Vivian. Today I want to tell about our nation India. India is a diverse country. There was many freedom fighters like Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. Our traditional dress formal is sari and kurta is for male. There is various languages like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, Malayalam. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and national song is Vande Mataram. Our traditional food is rice and chapati. I love my country very much. Thank you.
Good morning everyone,
my name is Samina. I am from class 6. Today I will talk about my India. I live in India. Our traditional clothes for female is sari and male is. Our traditional dance is classical and folk. Our national fruit is mango. Our national flower is lotus. National bird is peacock. I love my India. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pratyush from class 7. Today I will tell about a great freedom fighter, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the great freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd October 1869. We also call him Bapu. It was also known as the father of the nation. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai. He is strong believer in non-violence and ahimsa. He was dead on 13 January 1948. His life is an inspiration for us. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prithviraj Singh from class 7 and I wanted to give a speech on the best freedom fighter in the world, Mahatma Gandhi. He was born in October 2, 1869, which is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. His mother name was Putlibai and his father name was Karamchand Gandhi. He was a supporter of non-violence, so he does march such as the Dandi March. He also done the Quit India movement. He gone to South Africa to reduce the apartheid about the Indians. He died in 1948 January 30. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rishabh Bhumi and today I want to tell about Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose was born on December 2, 1889. He was a great Indian revolutionary and he was a young revolutionary who actively participated fight against British rule for Indian independence. Khudiram became involved in the freedom movement by the lectures from Aurobindo Ghosh and Sister Nivedita. He was involved in Muzaffarpur conspiracy when he and Prafullo Chaki both murdered the one governor of British named Kingsford. With that time, the Khudiram was arrested and from British he was subsequently arrested and where he was hanged on August 11, 1908 at the very early age of 18. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vertex of class 7. Today I am here to give a speech on freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. He was born in January 23, 1987. He fought for India against British. He created INA, Indian National Army, to give us freedom. He was famously known for his slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Despite his misdemeanor death, his legacy continues. Thank you.
Very good. Go.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Manika Poddar from class 7. Today I am tell about some freedom fighters of our India. Freedom fighters are the heroes of our country. They fought to make us independence from the British. They love their country very much. Some of gave their life for India.